Welcome to my little segment that I'll call The Fix is In. I wish the fix was in, and this is a little thing on the POTA system that I've talked about before. Here's an example right here. Okay, you see the RBN skimmer report. Well, I've mentioned before the war I got in with the RBN skimmer network in the on the POTA system, right? Where I gave a real honest signal report with a guy I had just worked in Texas, and within 5 seconds was replaced with an RBN skimmer report. The system valued his more than the computer more than my human opinion, and that's how it felt, right? So I spotted over top of the skimmer spot, and immediately, boom, was replaced again by the skimmer system, and again, and I became furious. It felt like the computers were launching an attack on me, the human, as if everything Isaac Asimov warned us about is now taking place. Is this the beginning of the big human computer war? It is. It truly is. Because the fix is easy, guys. I was in a fellow that was responsible for coding part of the system left a comment to my video, which shocked me. I wish he was still around. He told me to email him, but I'm not going to because I feel that my opinion means nothing to these guys. Because the fix is easy, man. I'm not a highly skilled programmer, but I started out my programming days in Fortran and COBOL, and then I progressed to Pascal, and then I started coding using Turbo Pascal for Windows, and then I progressed to C Sharp, and you know what I mean? I can hack my way around some code. How difficult, if these guys really wanted to, how many lines of code do you think it's going to take to make the POTA system before it posts a skimmer report? Check the database. Look and see if it's been reported in the last minute or 2 minutes. I suggest 3. If the RBN network doesn't see a spot on a station within the last 3 minutes, go ahead, spot him, computer. Otherwise, if you see spots happening repeatedly by a human being, hey computer, stay the F away. You've got human beings making honest human signal reports. Your decibels mean nothing compared to my 5.5 with fast QSB in Michigan report. Hey, POTA coders, you know how to fix this thing. Why don't you want to? Why do you feel that your skimmer reports are more valuable than mine, or hers, or his? Just some food for thought. Is it the beginning, guys and ladies? Is this where we start our war of humans versus robots? Does it start before the robots even exist? Are we at war with the robot's mind, with its electronic brain? Or are we at war with other humans that are in love with computing? What say you guys? What say you ladies? Be well. Take care. Fix is in. There we go. Let's try that again. Hey guys, welcome to my latest little POTA segment called The Fix Is In. Oh my God, how many times do I have to redo this because of my throat? Woo! Hey guys, welcome to my latest little segment. Let's try take 5.